Let's explore some of the features on My Smart Water Meter.
On your dashboard, you can get an overview of the last 6 months' water usage, active alerts of suspected leak and high usage, water-saving tips, and more. See your usage trend for the last 24 hours, 7 days, or the past 12 months. You can also set a monthly water goal. Another useful feature is the alert notification. Be alerted to suspected leaks that may go unnoticed, and learn how to find leaks or a licensed plumber. You can then fix that leak to reduce water wastage and avoid a bill shock. Unusually high consumption? You can be alerted on that too, so you can adjust your usage. Simply turn on the SMS notification setting to receive various alerts, and take control of your water usage anytime, anywhere. Log into My Smart Water Meter now and start exploring the smart features.